Hello all. Have a nice day. Myself Shankar. This is my second video in my Salesforce series. In this video, I am going to talk about my blog post which I have written in the topic called cloud computing. So before we started to learn about Salesforce, uh, we should be clear about two important topics. One is Salesforce, another one is CRM. Okay. So in this video, I am going to talk about my blog post which I have written in the topic called cloud computing. Of course, if you search in internet about what is cloud computing means, you will get plenty of result. Okay, both in website, blogs, and even in YouTube videos also, isn't it? Okay, so here I am just going to give some basic idea about what is cloud computing. Okay, so before I am getting started, I will explain the term what does cloud computing means. The term cloud computing is the meaning of cloud in the cloud computing term itself is called internet. Okay, so accessing any resources through internet is called cloud computing. Okay, it is like we are going to staying in a rental house. We have to pay the rent as long as we are staying in that house. Okay, that's the basic concept of cloud computing. So as part of in the beginning stage of our learning, okay, to know about cloud computing, we have to understand three main categories of cloud computing. They are SaaS, PaaS, ES. Okay, so SaaS is nothing but software as a service. PaaS is for platform as a service. ES is infrastructure as a service. Okay, so why should I go for cloud computing? So what is the benefit I will get if I use cloud computing? So what should I do to utilize cloud computing services? Okay, so before seeing all those things, I will tell you one thing. If I tell you that already you are using cloud computing every day in your life means, will you believe that? Yes, of course. Say for example, many of us will use Google Drive to save our images or any important documents in the Google Drive, isn't it? So it's a cloud computing concept because we are not storing any file images in our mobile or laptop. We are storing it in some remote server in the Google Drive, in the Google Drive storage, isn't it? So that is the cloud. That is the very best example of what is cloud computing. Okay. So it is not only for documents. We can access any resources from the applications, operating systems, okay, physical devices like storage, server. Okay, so any system any resources we don't have to own anything. We can pay some amount and utilize the services offered by the cloud computing vendors. Okay, there are several vendors available in the market right now. Okay, so let's see what is SaaS. Okay, SaaS is nothing but software as a service. Okay, say for example, I am starting a new company. Okay, the company name is Shankar Cycle Manufacturing. Okay, so in my company, I have brought physical devices like I have brought physical devices for setting up the infrastructure like my storage, server, everything in my office. Okay, and I have brought and I'm having 10, just assume that I'm having 10 employees in my company, and so 10 different systems I have brought separately. So what happened is I don't have separate software team in my company to develop software to manage my business. Okay, and I don't have time also to develop to approach a software developer team. Okay, hey team, just this is my requirement. Just develop this software for me and deliver it after 1 year. Okay, I don't have time for that. So in this situation, what happens is there is a company called, say for example, ABC, okay, and they are saying that hey Shankar, see, we are ABC company, and we are providing cloud computing service in the SaaS area. So which means we know your requirements. We already having this product in our company, so you don't have to install this application in your local system. Means in your 10 employees local system, you can access these applications through the browser itself. Okay, so what I feel is, it is a really time consuming process, right? Because I don't have to spend time to develop a software and test it. Okay, so already a vendor, they have developed a software which meets my requirement. What I will do is I will pay some amount and get the license from them, and my company employees will start using that application. The beauty here is that they don't have to install that application in their local system. They can access that application through the browser itself. Okay, and here all so like that I will use the SaaS services provided by the ABC company. To know more about PaaS services and ES services, just check out my blog. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will like my blogs too. Do support my channel. Thanks.